Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the dispenser on a stable surface and inspecting the feed slot. This prevents jams. Load clips with the curved side aligned to the feed so the mechanism can grip them reliably. Once done, push a small stack gently into the channel until you feel light resistance. This seats the clips without bending. Make sure not to overfill. The device needs a little space to actuate. Doing this first reduces misfeeds and keeps the ejector working smoothly. Now you operate the dispenser. Press or turn the actuator once to advance a single clip. Pay attention to how the mechanism grabs the top clip and why it fails when clips are misaligned. If clips twist or slip, remove the stack and realign them using the guides. Slight tension on the springs is normal, but too much causes collapse. Once you dial in pressure and alignment, run a short series of tests to confirm consistent single-clip ejection before heavy use. To finish, cycle 5 to 10 clips through to verify reliability. This reveals intermittent issues before they interrupt work. If a jam happens, stop immediately and reverse the actuator or open the access panel to remove the stuck clip. Never force the mechanism, as that can deform clips and parts. Make sure to clean the feed path of dust and debris and apply a tiny drop of lubricant to pivots if sticking persists. This quick maintenance prevents repeat jams and extends dispenser life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.